Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the right crisper shelf support in your refrigerator, first remove the snack drawer by pulling forward, then lift up the rear. Remove the crisper drawer as well. Carefully remove the glass from the crisper shelf frame. Lift out the shelf frame. Now, using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the shelf support to the liner. Install the new support by positioning it on the liner and threading the screw. Reposition the crisper shelf frame. Set the glass in the frame. Reinstall the drawers.